In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the F12 key to open developer tools in Microsoft Edge. This is a handy feature that can streamline your browsing and development experience, especially if you often work with web development tools. So let's get started and make sure you're ready to take full advantage of this feature. First things first, you'll want to open your Microsoft Edge browser. If you're not on the internet often or just switching from another browser, you can find the Microsoft Edge icon on your desktop or in your Start menu. Click on it to launch the browser. Once your browser is open and you're inside your Microsoft Edge window, move your mouse up to the top right corner where you'll see three small dots. This icon functions as your gateway to the settings of the browser, so go ahead and click on it. Clicking on these three dots will slide out a menu with various options. What we're interested in is the section labeled Settings. So scroll down until you see it and then select it. Once you're inside the settings, you'll notice a list of categories on the left-hand side. One of these categories is Accessibility. It's specifically designed to enhance the user experience for everyone, making sure features are easy to access and use. Click on Accessibility to open its settings. Now, in the Accessibility section, look out for an option that says Use the F12 key to open developer tools. This is the feature that allows you to pop open the developer tools with the press of a single button, which can make it very convenient if you're often diving into coding or inspecting elements on a web page. To activate this feature, you'll see a toggle button right next to the option. If the button is on the left, it means it's currently turned off. Simply click on the toggle button to the right so that it indicates the feature is now on. And there you have it. You've successfully set your Edge browser to use the F12 key for opening developer tools. That wasn't too tricky, was it? With just a few clicks, you've streamlined an aspect of your web browsing and development interface. Having this shortcut can really speed up interactions when you're troubleshooting or developing web content. Remember, being able to quickly access the developer tools can save you a lot of time and enhance your efficiency, particularly if this is something you use regularly. So go ahead and test it out. Give that F12 key a press and see how effortlessly the Developer Tools panel pops up for you to start exploring. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on enhancing your digital experience.